Hello there everyone and welcome to Stoke Newington railway station, and to kick things off we see the departure of 710 114 and 710 115 working 1354 London Overground service from Cheshunt through to London Liverpool Street. Go for it. Next up to pass through the station is 720 509, working 2H34 for Greater Anglia from London Liverpool Street through to Cambridge North. Next passing through the station for Greater Anglia is 720 541 and 720 528, working 1 Bravo 61 from Stansted Airport through to London Liverpool Street. Next up to depart from the station is 710 101 and 710 119, working the 1400 London Overground service from London Liverpool Street through to Enfield Town.
From Saturday 20th of July until Saturday 3rd of August, a one-way system will be operating at Seven Sisters due to Network Rail bridge replacement.
Departing in the opposite direction for London Overground is 710 118 and 710 129, with the 1408 London Overground service from Enfield Town through to London Liverpool Street. Next passing fast through the station for Greater Anglia is 745 109, working 1 Bravo 76 from London Liverpool Street through to Stansted Airport.
The train now approaching platform 1 does not stop here. Please stand well clear of the edge of...
Rounding the corner for Greater Anglia is 720 568, working 2H33 from Cambridge North through to London Liverpool Street.
From Saturday 20th of July until Saturday 3rd of August, a one-way system will be operating at Seven Sisters due to Network Rail bridge replacement work. This will be in operation during peak hours, Mondays to Fridays, and at other busy times of the station. To access the London Overground platforms from the Victoria Line or Seven Sisters Road, you will need to walk by a Bristol Road which is clearly signed. Please speak to station staff if you need any help.
Next making its way through the station is 745 006, working 1 Bravo 63 for Greater Anglia from Stansted Airport through to London Liverpool Street. Arriving next into the station is 710-259 and 710-128 with the 1416 London Overground service of London Liverpool Street through to Cheshunt. Passing fast through the station for Greater Anglia is 745-106, working 1 Bravo 78 from London Liverpool Street through to Stansted Airport. And as 720-570 passes fast through for Greater Anglia, working 2H36 from London Liverpool Street through to Cambridge North, we see the arrival of 710-117 and 710-108 with 1424 London Overground service from Cheshunt through to London Liverpool Street.
London Overground service to London Liverpool Street. Calling at Rectory Road, Hackney Downs, London Fields, Cambridge Heath, Bethnal Green and London Liverpool Street.
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.